Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2012 Harley-Davidson Road King Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2012 Harley-Davidson Road King Classic with 25,553 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control. It's been upgraded with an EFI module, a Vance and Hines exhaust, a Harley-Davidson Stage 1 intake, an LED headlight, LED passing lamps, headlight and passing lamp trim rings, LED front turn signals, front turn signal and passing lamp trim, aftermarket rear turn signals, docking hardware, 14-inch handlebars, Harley-Davidson grips, reservoir covers, braided lines and cables, a saddleman seat, engine heat shields, aftermarket wheels, rotors, mirrors, chrome levers, a chrome inner primary cover, an outer primary cover, a chrome rectifier cover, chrome frame covers, chrome engine and transmission covers, shifter pegs, shift linkage, rider floorboards, passenger foot pegs, a brake pedal, plastic side covers with integrated battery tenders, a fuel cap, a horn cover, saddlebag guards, a Harley-Davidson speedometer with an integrated tachometer, extended saddlebags, saddlebag liners, front fender trim, and pinstriping. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Road King puts 101 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Road King has a 210 to 250 mile range. It has a 26.9 inch seat height and a 710-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds and the rear at 330 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the shift linkage rattles. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a badge missing on the fuel tank, and a paint blemish on the right saddlebag. This bike has 2 keys and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program information, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.